The Nigerian military is in discussions to purchase 4 Prachand light combat helicopters from Hindustan Aeronautics through a soft credit arrangement. Indian Navy's upcoming Project 17B next-generation stealth frigates that was cleared earlier this month will be the first warships to be equipped with the 1,000 km range naval variant of indigenous technology cruise missile. Hindustan Aeronautics has revealed that each Tejas Mk1A aircraft is composed of 14,837 parts, and 11,000 tools are required to ensure the accurate and efficient production of the Tejas Mk1A. Turkey is planning to offer its Hurjet light strike aircraft to Bangladesh. Officials have said that another series of user trials with the 160 km range Astra Mk-2 missile is planned for 2025, and it will be ready for induction in 2026. The Indian Army has showcased its newly inducted 6 km range UAV-launched precision-guided munition manufactured by Adani Defense. China is constructing a new heliport in Nyingchi, which is just 20 km from the Indian border in Arunachal Pradesh, that will enhance China's ability to swiftly mobilize troops to forward positions. In a significant development, the assembly of Tejas Mk2 aircraft is set to begin this month in Bengaluru, with small equipment and fuselage sections already arriving at the HAL facility, and the first fully assembled Tejas Mk2 is expected to roll out next year. Indian Air Force's Aircraft and Systems Testing Establishment will conduct a series of rigorous ground-based tests, low-speed and high-speed taxi trials, and pilot interface testing that will be followed by the first flight. The test pilots will spearhead every step of the testing process, meticulously evaluating the new platform and validating its incorporated technologies. The former chief test pilot for the Naval Tejas program has expressed frustration over the slow progress of the TEDBF program, and he questioned the government's intentions for India's second indigenous aircraft carrier. He criticized the government for not sanctioning the TEDBF program yet, despite mentioning the second indigenous aircraft carrier in the Cabinet Committee on Security meetings, as the delay in TEDBF could have significant implications for the operational readiness of the carrier. The Indian Ministry of Defence is having second thoughts regarding the proposed acquisition of 31 MQ-9B drones from the US, which is valued around $30 million per drone. Houthi rebels in Yemen have been able to bring down several of these drones using relatively simple techniques, and they shot down one more drone yesterday that have caused alarm in the Defence Ministry. The MQ-9B's lack of defensive countermeasures, coupled with its slower speed, makes it particularly susceptible to anti-aircraft fire or even shoulder-launched missiles. The Electronics and Radar Development Establishment has issued a call for competent Indian industries to partner in the design and development of low radar cross-section and low-drag conformal domes for high-speed aerial platforms. Conformal domes are essential components for housing electro-optical payloads on high-speed aircraft, which typically include infrared and visible cameras that require a streamlined and aerodynamic enclosure to minimize drag and radar cross-section, thus ensuring optimal performance and stealth. Today's top 3 comments.